Monday began wet and cold. As another storm pushed through, we decided to stay in the RV and get some work done. I stepped outside to take a break at a point, and using the 70-200 on the GFX freehand, I captured the clouds spilling about Watchman. The beautiful scene lasted only moments before the clouds completely obscured the mountains again. I am grateful for these moments. After lunch, I headed back to the upper end of the east side to explore the area in hopes of finding a composition. The washes were flowing with runoff from the morning storm, and while the sun was still pretty high in the sky for photography, I decided to set up the 4x5 and challenge myself to correctly expose some Ektar in hopes of capturing this beautiful scene that was laid out before me. After hiking further down the same wash, I settled in on another beautiful display of fall color. Exposing a sheet of Velvia 50, I packed up only to unpack again after turning around and seeing another magical scene. With one pine bowing deeply to another against a backdrop of reflected light on sandstone. Our friend Anna aptly named this photo Kokopelli. The afternoon was filled with gifts. It was on my way back to the Jeep that I had my first of 2 bighorn sheep encounters. I hope you've enjoyed this content, and if you have, it'd be awesome if you'd hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'll be back with more content real soon.